all you want. But I'm the big bad wolf, I'm the big bad wolf. You can talk smack about me all you want. You can insult me all you want. But beware, beware. My bark is worse than my bite. I can fight right back. So don't insult me. And the ladies love me. And I love the ladies, except for the girls who plastic surgery. Cause I'm the big bad wolf, I'm the big bad wolf. I rock the house. Thank you for 254 subscribers. I rock the house, and acoustic guitar. This ain't no country crap. You can talk smack about me all you want to. You can insult me, you can make fun of me, you can call me trash. You can call me white trash. You couldn't say it to my face. I'll punch your lights out, that's right, I'll punch your lights out. I'll slap you in the face when you call me white trash. They can lock me up in prison, I don't care. Cause I'm the big bad wolf, I'm the big bad wolf. I'm the effing big bad wolf, that's right. Law, law, law. I'm crazy but I am. And I like to get the hot days in the sheets. Play the acoustic guitar all damn night. Cause I'm the rock star. And the ladies have the house for. Yeah, I know I can double dip. I know I can call them ice cream and shit like that. They're so sweet. Just so I should have my tongue. But this ain't no country shit. Of course I play my music loud, and I know you want to turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Boom, boom, boom. Ippy-yi-yi, what? It's the big bad wolf. And I'll make whatever the hell I want to. And they go to get the shirts off and shit like that. When they see the big bad wolf play his acoustic guitar and shit like that. When another crazy freestyle like that. Here I come on the drum, which I paid for with my own damn money. It's the big bad wolf, it's the big bad wolf. I can rock the house with my acoustic guitar. Rock the club with my acoustic guitar. And get the ladies to kiss me. And everything's grand. It's the big bad wolf, it's the big bad wolf. I'm gonna take their clothes off and shit like that. Play with their tatas and play with their teeth. So what I said, cause I'm a big bad wolf. I made it big and edgy. Just trying to take a list. At least I can play an instrument. Unlike the other rappers. And I can sing a note. Always hold a tune. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I wanna kiss them Rosalie under this. I wanna kiss them now every time on the leaves. Cause they both look so sweet. Ho, ho, it's a big bad wolf who has to get nasty the mini girl and shit like that. It's the big bad boy. No, Woody's the whack, Woody's the whack. You can't stop me, you can't stop me. And you'll never be able to stop me from my crazy shit. The dish got away with the stew. Watch the big bad bull fly man. You can say Merry Christmas and I'll say here comes Krampus. To bite off all the naughty kids' heads and shit like that. It's the big bad wolf, it's the big bad wolf. Here to rock the house, and to get the nasty girls in the sheets. Yeah. Every time I do stuff, I go higher, higher, and higher. If you don't like it, too bad. And maybe my music real, and the altitude is useless. Get no, ladies, and get your clothes off and shit like that. And I'll say what I want to, it's a big country, but I don't want the girls who costed surgery. It's the big bad wolf. Stop it good there and then. And why that? I'd rather get paid. Yeah. This is a bit bad. Whoa. And I'd rather get the girls in the bed, or in the sofa, or in the sheets. Rock the house, rock the cloud with a acoustic car. Again, it's the big bang. Whoa, yeah. And there ain't nothing you can do about it. Boom, boom, boom. And then I got a hit. And country music still sucks. It's the big bad wolf, hear the rock the house with the 50s rock. You don't like it? Too effing bad. Well, I kiss the ladies on the lips.